नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। मैं ठीक हूँ। आज मैं आपको लेकर आया हूँ एक बहुत ही सुंदर राइड। आज हम चल रहे हैं भोपाल से भोजपुर, जो कि भोपाल से 25 किलोमीटर के आसपास है और शिव धाम है। बहुत पुराना मंदिर है और बहुत ही फेमस मंदिर है। तो चलो चलते हैं। आज आप और हम घूमेंगे भोजपुर। सुबह सुबह का वक्त है, एकदम खाली रोड, नो ट्रैफिक। मजा आएगा राइड में।
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling to go. If you're reading this now, please remember the good times we had. Don't forget about the moments we tried, we cried, or we laughed. There's a good chance our paths will eventually meet up somehow. Just know I had good reason to go. If you're reading this now, I spent too many nights with the lights out, replaying this scene where we shared the same space, the same beautiful place in my dreams. And I kick at the walls, I keep tripping on old memories, and I try to sing along to the song on this old record machine, but I can't get the words to come out right. I forget this old melody. If you're reading this now, know I'm wondering how things will be if I bump into you, or the things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe, and I know you're better off this way. If you're reading this now, Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. They all gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? And is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. It feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it'd get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead yet. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. No, you don't. Myself around just to feel any pain. And if it do any good, you know I'd do it again and again. You know, these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know, these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind, that's you on the line.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
ये पुलिया है वो, ये पुलिया। हर हर महादेव। दोस्तों, आ गए हम लोग भोजपुर। ये देखो सामने आपको दिख रहा होगा भोजपुर का प्रसिद्ध मंदिर, जो कि बस एकदम हमारे सामने ही है और हम पहुंचने वाले हैं। बस पहुंच गए हैं भोजपुर। अब हम यहाँ के दर्शन करेंगे और पूरा भोजपुर घूमेंगे। आ गए हैं बाबा के चरणों में। मेरा निवेदन है कि मैं भी आशीर्वाद लूं और आपको भी आशीर्वाद दिलाऊं।
दोस्तों हम पहुंच चुके हैं भोजपुर, प्रसिद्ध ऐतिहासिक।
डियर फ्रेंड, हम लोग आ चुके हैं भोजपुर। यहाँ देना है?
हाँ,
और पैसे भी यही देना भैया को। ठीक है भैया, है ना, यहाँ दे देंगे आके। ये है शिव धाम, पावन स्थल बाबा भोलेनाथ का। यहाँ दुनिया का सबसे बड़े शिवलिंग में से एक है, बहुत ही पुराना शिवलिंग है। अच्छा, हाँ, तो दर्शन तो करें। हाँ, इसको बंद कर लेंगे। हाँ, हाउ
I thought mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of her. A brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat, and if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing and friends they've lost their shirt. Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but I can't leave. And I keep doing what I can to find relief. Just stay with me.
भोजपुर के इस पवित्र शिवलिंग का दर्शन करके मन को सच में बहुत शांति मिली है। अगर आपको भी यह ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो फिर मिलते हैं एक नए सफर के साथ। ओम नमः शिवाय।
that keep